What's that? Yeah, I think for right now. I found out that I had the A-arms upside down. I had all the birds. I was missing cotter pins. I was just... Back here. Liposuction spinal. That's why when they told us to go turtle whenever we had a grenade buy, I was like, it's fucking stupid. I'm not turning my spine to a grenade.